Hi there. I saw this marvelous video here on YouTube and I would like to share it with you. It is so interesting because I have never thought of it. When it comes to my sandwich experience from more or less the early 80s when I went to school, that is something totally different here. And it gives me a new thought of a sandwich because it's a pretty good idea. So here, let's go. Then first we start with the ingredients. Get good ingredients. Have a nice bread. Have a nice cheese. As better your ingredients, as better your sandwich. I guarantee you. Look into your ingredients. You will see what I mean. When it comes to your eggs, fresh eggs, always fresh eggs. When you steer your eggs, hey, use a fork. That's much better. Steering the eggs with a fork combines the eggs much better. When it comes to your pan, heat it up slowly because otherwise the butter will burn. You saw it maybe before. Anyway, I remember my sandwich in school. Oh my God, it was very delicious. I still love it. And I'm still eating it. Nice sourdough with butter spread, marmalade, and Gouda cheese on top. Yum! You can heat it up, you can eat it cold. It's totally up to you. Maybe you saw the movie Ratatouille, where Remy has a piece of cheese and a piece of strawberry, and he is eating it actually separated first, one by one. Then he eats it together, and this is the harmony. And this is also the harmony when it comes to a sandwich. That's why I am the sandwich guy. I love sandwiches, any type of sandwich. And I will make more sandwich videos if you are interested. And let's go back here to this video. Now we have a look at the cut. Let's cut this wonderful sandwich. Have a look. See? Nice melted cheese, and it makes it even more delicious when your sandwich is served warm. Warm, cold, warm, cold. That's totally up to you, whatever you prefer. Okay? That's it. I hope you enjoy it. I go now and will make my own sandwich.